Greetings from Greece, from Athens. I'm Rania Lampou. I'm a STEM instructor and researcher, and I'm working at the Greek Ministry of Education, the Greek Astronomy Space Company. I would like to welcome you all to the 5th International Conference on Interdisciplinary Research for Sustainable Development. I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all organizers of Green ThinkerZ India, International Institute of Organized Research India, and all the other partners who are involved in this enriching and wonderful initiative. Happy World Environmental Day. And my topic today will focus on green STEM, eco-innovation, and how actually STEM education can be combined with sustainability issues. Green STEM refers to the intersection of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics with environmentally sustainable practices. Eco-innovation in this context involves creating new technologies, processes, or approaches that reduce environmental impact and promote sustainability. STEM disciplines are at the heart of developing and implementing sustainable practices. Science and technology provide the knowledge and tools to understand environmental issues and create innovative solutions, while engineering and mathematics offer ways to design, test, and scale sustainable systems. So STEM, we could say that is a foundation for sustainability solutions. STEM education also fosters skills necessary, for example, to monitor environmental changes or to track biodiversity, to assess human impacts on ecosystems. By using tools such as geographic information systems, satellite imaging, and environmental sensors, students and professionals trained in STEM can help to preserve natural resources, protect endangered species, and manage ecosystems sustainably. And of course, sustainability requires a workforce that understands environmental principles and can apply STEM knowledge to green industries. So careers in renewable energy, sustainable architecture, environmental consulting, and clean technology all rely on STEM-trained professionals. Problem solving, STEM, it's all about problem solving and innovative mindset. STEM emphasizes problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, which are crucial for addressing sustainability challenges, whether it's developing new materials for reducing waste or creating energy efficient transportation systems or innovating in water management. STEM actually fosters the mindset necessary for sustainable innovations. So integrating sustainability into STEM education broadens students' perspectives on how science and technology can be applied for the greater good. And this might include project-based learning, inquiry, challenge-based learning, where students work on real-world projects that address sustainability issues, such as building eco-friendly models or designing waste reduction programs. It's about always cross-disciplinary approaches because incorporating social sciences with STEM, it's something that encourages students to consider the social and ethical dimensions of sustainability and the sustainable engineering principles, because teaching students about the life cycle of products, resource management, and environmental impacts of technologies encourages them to think critically about sustainability. Let's not forget also that STEM fields, particularly engineering and technology, play a vital role in advancing the circular economy through innovations in recycling, sustainable product design, and waste to energy technologies. So STEM provides a vital platform for teaching students about the causes, impacts, and solutions to global climate change. By understanding the science behind climate change, students can actually engage in meaningful actions, advocate for policies, and contribute to technological innovations that mitigate its effects. Therefore, the integration of STEM and sustainability is essential for creating a future where human progress does not come at the expense of the planet. By emphasizing sustainable practice in STEM curricula, students not only gain the technical knowledge needed for emerging fields, but also develop the ethical and ecological awareness required to tackle global environmental challenges. And of course, this prepares the next generation to lead in a world where the responsible use of science and technology will be a key to long-term planetary health. So addressing global challenges, encouraging innovation, preparing for green jobs, fostering environmental stewardship and responsibility. This helps instill a sense of responsibility in students. And this awareness encourages them to adopt sustainable, healthy behaviors in their personal lives, such as energy conservation or recycling, reducing waste, fostering a generation of environmentally conscious citizens this way, and promoting system thinking, because sustainability involves thinking about interconnected systems, how energy, water, food, and ecosystems interact, and how human activities affect these systems. So STEM subjects, especially when they are combined with sustainability concepts, promote systems thinking, allowing students to see the bigger picture and understand the long-term consequences of technological advancements. Of course, these global problems are complex, they're multifaceted, multi-layered, they require critical thinking. So here we can enhance problem-solving, critical thinking skills, we can develop global citizenship, ethical awareness, and always engage students in real-world authentic applications, real-world contexts. This way we can support the national and global sustainable goals and encourage long-term thinking. Some examples of projects that could be a composting system, that would be a waste audit and recycle education campaign, or electronic waste recycling, or how to create a zero waste classroom, how students can create a water filtration system using recycled materials, how they can conduct audits in lakes, rivers, and trust to treasure art projects. So amazing projects that we can implement in the classroom. Students, for example, can design also smarter, sustainable cities and give their own solutions to innovative solutions to problems. So STEM education, by concluding, we see that holds the key to addressing many of the pressing challenges our world faces today. The skills and knowledge gained through STEM are powerful tools to create innovative, sustainable solutions. So STEM is more than just a theoretical concept, it's a call to action. STEM is not simply about learning facts and figures, it's about fostering creativity, critical thinking, qualities essential for building a sustainable future. And this way, we are not only preparing students for the workforce of tomorrow, but we also are empowering them to become agents of change for a greener, more equitable planet. Thank you very much for the invitation and the attention. Thank you very much. Bye.